Hi, it's Hazrat and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first, check the cable and charger for any damage and the compatibility with your tablet. You can just check the cable if it's not broken in any way. Then, right here, I am connected to the charger right now, but let me unplug it. You will see the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools, so use, for example, a compressed air or any kind of Q-tips or wooden sticks. Don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the port. And you can test with another fast charger or an outlet and just restart your tablet. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.